how to download Instagram in Mac. If you're using MacBook Air, MacBook Pro or iMac, the steps are going to be same. Now usually whenever we want to download any particular application, we go to App Store and we search for the app. But if I go to App Store and if I search for Instagram, you won't find any Instagram application over there. So in this particular case, how can we still download Instagram in a Mac? First, open any particular browser. Let's say if I'm opening Safari. After opening the browser, search for Instagram. Now once you open Instagram over here, so this is the Instagram page right now. This is the login page, as you can see. So in order to download Instagram in a Mac, when you open instagram.com, just select the website at the top, just single click over there, and once the website is selected, simply point your cursor over there, click and hold it and drag like this and leave it on the desktop. Now you can see it has created a shortcut over there. So what's the next step? So we have created a shortcut for Instagram. So if you double click on this, it will automatically open this login page of Instagram on the default browser. Now my current default browser is Safari, but to make it more interesting, we are going to add Instagram logo over here. So if you want to rename, you can just simply select this and you can press enter, and then you can rename it as Instagram. So the next step is, again, go on the browser and open Google and search for icons for Mac. So this is the website, macosicons.com. Select this particular website and in search bar you need to search for Instagram. So once you search for Instagram, it will show you the icons related to Instagram. So you can find multiple icons. You can choose whichever icon you want. So let's say if I want to use this particular icon, I'm going to single tap on that icon and the icon will be automatically downloaded over here, and it is showing it in preview application. But once you download that icon, go in Finder and then go in download section. This is the icon which we have downloaded. So just single tap on that icon and press Command plus C to copy it. Now once you copy, after that again select the shortcut which you have created, single tap and select it and press Command plus I to open the info page. Now once you open the info page, select this small icon over here. Once you select it, it will be highlighted with blue outline. Paste the Instagram icon which we have copied. So for pasting, you can use Command plus V on your keyboard. Now you can see Instagram icon is added over here as well as here. So now you can close this. So now you can double tap on this and you can open it. Before that, let me close the login page over here so that it will be easier for you to identify that it really works or not. So if I double click on this option right now, you can see it has opened the Instagram login page on Safari. Again, if you don't want to keep this on your desktop, you can add it to dock. So click and hold it and drag it over here on the dock. So you can add it beside bin and you can leave it over there, and now you can see it has added Instagram to dock. So if you select over here, again it will take you to the login page. So this is how simple it is to download Instagram in your Mac if you don't find it in App Store. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. If you find this video informative, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.